Most people manually scroll Reddit for hours looking for content ideas. I just automated it in 45 minutes. Now it scrapes subreddits, AI ranks the questions, and the top 10 goes straight to Notion. If you're looking to build a workflow that helps you scrape Reddit for content ideas, this is the entire workflow. I have it as manual. I don't have a need right now to scrape it automatically, but if you wanted to, you can just this node and then type in schedule trigger. And so this is the Reddit node. I have it on post, get many, and then here you type in the subreddit. Limit is the default by 100. Here's a category. I like to keep it at new. So that's exactly what I did here. And then I just fed it straight into this code node. Tried many ways. I tried to do it with the aggregate node. And it looks like this. And this is usually what you use to combine multiple data sources. I just couldn't figure out how to make it work, so I just went straight to the code node. I just went straight to Cloud Code, or gave me all the code I needed. I just explained what I was looking for. I hit run, and here's just my style. It's not the sexiest, but it works. And so what it does is I just spit it into a big block of text that's properly formatted. So I'm just have it separated by question, title, and URL. That's all I need. And the reason I have it as a big block of text is so that AI can just read it. So let's say you're getting 200 posts here. It's a lot. You also don't want AI to go through all of them, because you could theoretically feed it, but that just means it's going to waste more, aka it's going to cost you more money. And so what I do is I just filter by common logic. It looks at common keywords and it does some basic filtering. Is it going to be perfect? No. It is going to take the majority, maybe like 60 or 70% of it is going to be good. And so that's what it's happening here. Then you have AI filter it. I also ask Claude to give me the user and system message. Here you can get a little glimpse of what mine says. Tells you the profile. I should do this consistently at every single post. And then here we just give it high level instructions, and then we feed it the actual post. And so that, remember that big block of text I was referring to? This is how it looks like here. It's getting everything. So it's almost like if you were to open ChatGPT or whatever platform you use. So every single time you run this, it's going to do the same thing over and over again. And so it runs successfully. Then we want to do the split out, which all that does is it reverses what we did earlier, and it spits it out. And you can see here there's 9 items. The final thing is I just paste it on Notion. So I had to create a database. This is Notion, but if you don't use Notion, you don't need it. It is free. You can use Google Sheets, whatever works for you, and the same process will apply. You just need to create the columns. So that's what it is. I would have done this manually, figured I can automate it. Instead of manually going to these subreddits and looking for the top questions every single time, I just run this and I quickly get a few questions that are relevant, and it saves me 10 to 15 minutes every single time I do this. And it is not even that complex. It's only a couple nodes. So these are the type of workflows that I like, because I can easily debug it. I can't tell you how often I've built these complex workflows that have so many nodes. They take hours, if not days, to build, and then either I don't end up using them because they're too complex, or I run into issues that are really hard to debug. In my experience, I recommend you keep things simple and just keep things purposeful. So whatever you do repeatedly, always think, can I automate it? And then you can either do that with n8n, or you can use something like Cloud Code.